Fujifilm X-M5 review. Tiny camera, big ego? Travel, vlogging, and creator's dream. Ever feel trapped relying on a smartphone that smudges moments into flat, lifeless images? Or maybe your clunky old DSLR weighs you down, drains your energy, and kills spontaneity. Every shot feels like work instead of joy. You want freedom, but instead, you're stuck battling gear that slows creativity and robs your spark. Isn't creating supposed to feel effortless? Now add the pressure. Deadlines looming, content piling up, followers expecting more, and burnout creeping closer. Imagine fumbling through menus while your golden hour vanishes, or missing a viral moment because your setup lagged. Stress piles on as opportunities slip away. That sickening feeling of what if starts to haunt your creativity when your tools sabotage your vision. Enter the breakthrough, the Fujifilm X-M5 mirrorless digital camera bundle. Ultra compact at just 12.5 ounces, it packs a 26.1 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor with X-Processor 5, delivering breathtaking detail, vibrant colors, and low-light performance that makes smartphones look like toys. Pair it with the versatile XC15 to 45mm OIS PZ lens, and you're covered from sweeping landscapes to creamy-bokeh portraits. For creators, the magic lies in its open-gate 6.2K recording, 240 frame per second slow motion, and intuitive film simulation dial, 20 iconic looks without endless color grading. The vari-angle 3.0-inch touchscreen flips out for vlogging or selfies, while AI-driven AF with eye and subject tracking keeps you razor-sharp even in motion. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Frame.io camera to cloud let you share instantly or deliver footage before your coffee cools. One travel vlogger recalls filming a night market, dim lights, chaotic crowds, and the X-M5 nailed focus, stabilized shots, and stunning color without breaking stride. It turned chaos into cinematic magic. The benefits? Pure transformation. Suddenly workflows feel effortless. Wireless transfers, clean audio with the 3.5mm mic jack, sharp stabilized zoom, and color profiles that look finished straight out of camera. Experts hail it as the perfect entry to Fuji's X system, pro quality in a portable frame. Influencers rave about its 6K and 4K video, unmatched at this size and price, period. Analysts call the bundle incredible value. Finally, a kit with a UHS-II card fast enough for 4K. Real users echo the praise. JPEG so good I barely touch RAW. Autofocus nailed every vlog clip. The bag and card make it shoot ready. No extra purchases. Some skeptics note the lack of IBIS. Yet reviewers agree the lens OIS plus digital stabilization covers most needs. The emotional pull? Imagine capturing a once-in-a-lifetime street scene, framing it perfectly with the flip screen, and knowing the X-M5 has your back. That's why thousands say it doesn't just take photos, it unlocks confidence. Could a camera really reignite your creativity? Owners swear it has, because it feels less like gear and more like an extension of your vision. But here's the kicker. Demand is exploding, supply is tight, and once these bundles sell out, restocks can take months. Don't let another creative spark slip through your fingers. Join the wave of creators, travelers, and vloggers already elevating their work with the Fujifilm X-M5 bundle. You've dreamed of sharper shots, cinematic video, and gear that inspires, not limits, you. Act now, secure your X-M5 today, and claim the freedom to create without compromise.